Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're going to talk about combining like terms and the distributive property. Remember, distributive property is when we hand out the number, and combining like terms is when we find the things that are alike and simplify them together. So let's take a look at 3 times 10m minus 8 plus 15m. We're going to always start, step 1 is always going to be, let's spin that out a bit. Step 1 is always going to be distributive property. We are always going to do this first. So I'm going to start by distributing the 3 to both the 10m and the negative 8. 3 times 10m is 30m minus, because it's a negative sign, 24, and we just tack on whatever's at the end, plus 15m. Now I'm going to combine like terms. I like to underline or box in the like term so I know where my eye should focus on. So 30m plus 15m is 45m, and I can't do anything with that minus 24, so I just bring it down. And this is the answer. Let's try another one. Let's look at 5b minus 2 times 7 minus b. Now remember when I said that you have to keep the sign that's in front with the number that's behind it? This is one of those times where we have to do that. This is a negative 2 we're going to distribute. If we just count it as 2, we'll get the wrong answer. So we're going to bring down the 5b because we're not doing anything to it. We're going to distribute that negative 2. Negative 2 times 7 is negative 14, and negative 2 times negative b is plus 2b. Remember, a negative times a negative is a positive. And now we have like terms. Let's go ahead and combine them. We have our 5b, positive 2b. 5b plus 2b is 7b minus 14. And this is the answer. Okay, how about we do some problems for you to try on your own? Problem number 1. We're going to do 4 times 2x minus 5y minus 3x. Go ahead, solve this, put this answer in the box that's going to appear in a few moments. Okay, we're going to start by distributing the 4. We get 8x minus 20y minus 3x. My like terms are 8x and minus 3x. 8x minus 3x is 5x minus 20y. 20y and 5x are different terms. They have different variables, so we cannot combine them. Problem number 2. 2x minus 3 times 5x minus 8. Again, a box is going to appear in a few moments. Go ahead, put your answer in after you're done solving. Okay, well, remember this is a negative 3 that has to be distributed. So, keep the 2x. Negative 3 times 5x is minus 15x. Negative 3 times negative 8 is positive 24. Find the like terms. 2x, negative 15x. 2x minus 15x is negative 13x plus 24. That's the answer to that one. How about one more? Yeah, this one's a little bit more going on here. Let's see if you can handle it. Number 3. 3 times x plus 14 plus 5x minus 14. Go ahead, start, oops, this is actually 4, not 14. Go ahead, put the answer into the box on the side. I'm going to start by distributing the 3, so I have 3x plus 12 plus 5x minus 14. Make that 14 a little better. Okay, let's look at for like terms. Well, here I have 3x and positive 5x, but I also have positive 12 minus 14. So I have two things to combine here. 3x plus 5x is 8x, and positive 12 minus 14 is negative 2. So here's our answer. See how we simplified it from a lot of terms to just 2 terms? Again, we're going to practice this in class tomorrow. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, or we'll go over it in class tomorrow. Can't wait to see you. Have a good night.